Hi, my name's Randy Honeycutt. I'm with PD Organics Farm. I've been working on this project for about 4 years now. I've got my oven top digesters right here. I'm building a enclosure so I can put meat in so that it's not smelly. We're going to run a carbon filter system, but this is just food: corn, French fries, potatoes, cheese, animal byproducts, bones. Black soldier flies eat it, maggots, and the enzymes in them break down the food. So I'm gonna release some of the liquid into the tank, just a little bit, and so it flows down this tank this line right here. These are more digestion systems. We put cellulose in here to help break down get the glucose from the cellulose. Using cow manure, the enzymes in the digestive tract of cow manure helps break down the cellulose. But all of these are the pre-stage. We had a rabbit section on here before. We was getting rabbit pellets, but we can get the cost of that costed too much, so we stopped with that, and we just get local fertilizers and foods and industrial byproducts of animals and manures and different things, cellulose. But it all runs down to this open trap down here. It's low in concentration right now. As you can see, the liquid's kind of light, but that's about a 16 on the particle per million for EC electrical continuity, about a 3.14 on NPK. But it drains into this pipe out of here. We can load food in here, or we can load food up at the top, up there. But this is the place where we load food in usually. But that's the pre-stage, that we can break cellulose down because it takes too long. But it's going to go over here to the closed top digestion and for bottling. So we're on the lower level. It came from up at the preloading system through this 6-inch pipe into this digester. Solar City's the one that designed this specific digester. I changed it a little bit up at a 6-inch instead of a 2-inch, and I run 2-inch in the 6-inch and then put them to connect them together. They didn't connect them, but I connected them. And we got a gas outlet over here. So the whole goal is this goes into the bottom, shoots off in to the tank, mixes in the tank. They call it digestate. Comes from the middle because it's the best from the middle and it's broke down the most, and it continues through each tank. Gas comes from this pipe out, and that's where we collect it. And so gas, input, output, input, output, input, output, input, output, and these are all gas. But this is the collection area. The tanks are connected together so they raise and lower together. But it goes into this double diaphragm pump right here, from here, and it pumps into our boil section. Our boil section's right here. We got a heating elements inside this tank. We're going to get bigger tanks, but this is our pilot plant to get things going. A heating element heats this up, and it's controlled by temperature or running it at boil. And we boil it for about an hour, and then we load it into the catch tank over here. Another IBC tank. This is all made fertilizer, 275 gallons. And we got nutrition tests from local labs, and this is where we bottle it. And then from there, whatever we don't bottle, we're going to send them to granulars and make granular fertilizer. and we're working on that system next. But thank you for joining me. Again, my name's Randy Honeycutt with PD Organics Farm, and we're building a power plant. Hope you join us.